Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer amended return data using TurboTax Amend step by step clearly. Start by launching the TurboTax software on your computer. Sign in to your existing account using your credentials. Navigate to the section where your previous return is saved. Select the return you wish to amend. Locate the option for Amend a Return and click on it. Follow the prompts to ensure TurboTax properly recognizes that you're making changes. Review the sections of your original return carefully. Make the necessary amendments in the relevant fields. Be sure to provide any additional information required for the amendments. After making your changes, click on Continue. TurboTax will guide you through the process of updating your data. Once you've reviewed everything for accuracy, proceed to the next section. Check the summary of your amended return. Make sure all corrections are clearly reflected. When you're satisfied with your amendments, click on File Amended Return. Select your preferred method of filing for the amended return. If you choose to e-file, follow the prompts to submit electronically. If you prefer to print, select the option to generate a paper return. Once printed, sign the form where indicated. Mail it to the appropriate IRS address for amended returns. Keep a copy of the amended return for your records. Monitor the status of your amended return via TurboTax or the IRS website. Ensure any additional payments or adjustments are handled accordingly. Your amended return process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.